I'm your pharmacist today. I'm going to teach you how to use the Aerochamber correctly. Before starting, please choose and purchase an Aerochamber module that is suitable for the patient's age. There are different modules for babies, kids, and adults.
First of all, before using the Aerochamber, visually check the chamber for foreign objects that match or missing parts. This is MDI. Remove the cap of MDI. Then shake the MDI for 3 to 5 times immediately before use. And one up and down motion is considered as one shake. Then insert the MDI into the adapter of Aerochamber vertically. After that, rest your head face up and apply the Aerochamber mask to your face. After keeping the chin and nose tightly shut with the mask, press the MDI and start breathing normally for at least 10 inhalations. This is to make sure the drug is completely delivered to the lungs. If you need an additional dose as directed by the doctor, remove the mask, wait for 30 seconds, and repeat the steps above.
Kindly remind, if you hear whistle sound while using the Aerochamber, slow down your breathing rate. If your MDI contains steroids, rinse your mouth with water after use. For example, MDI fluticasone, MDI budesonide, and MDI seretide.
Besides, there's a flow indicator on the Aerochamber. If the flip indicator moves, it indicates that a good shield is applied between the mask and face.
In order to keep the Aerochamber clean, you are encouraged to wash it at least once a week.
Firstly, prepare a basin, then add warm water and a little detergent into the basin. Next, remove the mask, chamber, and the back piece. Then soak all of those parts in the water and wait for 15 minutes. Do not scrub the Aerochamber while cleaning. After 15 minutes, rinse the parts by submerging in clean water. Then, while taking out the parts, shake out excess water and air dry in a vertical position. Do not wipe to dry. When the parts are dried thoroughly, fit the front piece to the chamber. During installation, make sure that the mask and the body of the Aerochamber are properly connected to prevent it from falling during use. Center the alignment fixture on the back piece with the float indicator and press firmly to attach the back piece.
Kindly remind: do not rinse the aerochamber under the running tap water, as this may damage the valves. Thank you!